In question number 1, it is given that find the area of shaded region. This red region area of this red region we should find. And PQ length is given 24 centimeter and PR length is given 7 centimeter. Okay. So see what we can do. O is the center of the circle. So that means this is the semicircle. Okay. So from semicircle, if we subtract the triangle PQR, we will get this red region area. But since we know this triangle is right angle triangle, why? Because angle in a semicircle is right angle. Okay, we learned this in class 9. So what we can write here? Sin P, or this is R. So angle RPQ is 90 degree we can write. Reason will be angle in a semicircle is right angle. Okay, that means triangle PQR is right angle triangle. Now if triangle is right angle triangle, we can find its area easily. So area of triangle PQR will be half base, suppose PR, and PR value is already given 7 and PQ value is given 24 centimeter. Okay, so PR into height is PQ, so into 7 into 24. So from 2 we can cancel this. So answer will be 84 centimeter square. Okay. Now to find area of semicircle, radius should be given. So radius is not given. But since it is a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem to find QR. So since in same triangle PQR, by Pythagoras theorem we can write QR square is equal to PR square plus PQ square, isn't it? Now PR is 7, so 7 square, 24 square, 49, 24 square is 576. So that will be 625. Okay. So QR will be 25. Root of 625 is 25. Now QR is what? Diameter of the circle. Okay. So diameter we got 25. Therefore radius will be 25 by 2. So therefore area of semicircle will be, see, area of complete circle we know it's pi r square. So semicircle means half of the area. So 1 by 2 pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7. R is 25 by 2. 25 by 2. Okay. So from 2 we can cancel. This will go. Now 25 into 25 means 625. Here I will write 625 into 11 by 7 into 4 we can write. Okay. Now from 7 we can cancel this. From 7 we can cancel. 7 8s are 56. Okay. So 4 and 6 will remain. So 7 9s are 63. 2 will remain. So 7 2s are 14. 6 will remain. 7 8s are. Now from 4 I can cancel this again. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are 8. So 22.32 into 11. So from 11 we can multiply this. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33 and 2 35. 11 2s are 22 and 3, that is 25. 11 2s are 22 and 2 24. Okay. After 2-digit decimal, so we will put after 2-digit decimal. This is centimeter square. So now area of shaded region. will be what? Area of semicircle minus area of triangle PQR. So semicircle means this area, and triangle PQR we got as 84. So final answer we can get here 161.52 centimeter square. Question number 2. Find the area of the shaded region. This red shaded area we should find. If radii of the two concentric circle means for both the center is same. Okay. So center O. Okay. And then radii are 7 centimeters. So smaller circle is, suppose R1 is 7, or R we can consider. R for smaller radius of smaller circle, and capital R means radius of greater circle, which is given as 14 centimeter, and this angle is given 40 degree. So this we should find. So see what we can do here. This is the sector, isn't it? And this area we should find. So first what we will do, we'll find area of the bigger sector and minus area of the smaller sector, then this area we will get here. Okay, so simultaneously also we can do area of shaded region will be what? Area of big sector minus area of small sector. Okay, that is theta. Theta is same for both the sectors, so we can write theta by 360 into pi. For big sector radius I am using capital R. Okay, then theta by 360 into pi small r. Okay, now see theta, pi and 360 are common, so we can write common theta by 360 into pi. So we will be left with r square minus small r square. Now substitute the value. So theta is 40, 360, pi we can take 22 by 7. This will give 14 square minus 7 square. So this will go 4 9s are, okay, 22 by 9 into 7. Now for this we can use identity, third identity, a square minus b square. So a minus b, a plus b we can write. So 22 by 9 into 7. Now 14 minus 7 is 7, and 14 plus 7 is 21. So 1 7 will go, and therefore 3 we can cancel. 3 7s are 21. So now answer will be 154 by 3. Okay, so now if you want to write in decimal, so 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are will come, then 1 will remain, so it will become, so 51.33 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. In question number 3 it is given, find the area of the shaded region. This shaded region we should find, and ABCD is a square. Okay, and of side 14 centimeters. This side is 14 centimeter. And APD and BPC are the semicircle. So what we can do, we can find area of square, and we can subtract area of semicircle BPC, area of semicircle APD. But if you observe, for both the semicircle radius will be same, isn't it? Since this complete side is 14, so radius will be 7. For this semicircle also, that means two semicircles are joined to form one circle. That means how we can find this area? Area of square minus area of circle. Okay, that will be equivalent to find area of square minus area of two semicircle. Both ways you can find. So now suppose A is 14 centimeter, which is side of square. Side of square equals to A is equal to 14 centimeter Okay, so and radius of circle or semicircle, no problem, will be r, which is 7 centimeter. 14 by 2 7. Okay, so therefore area of shaded region is area of square minus area of circle. Okay, so area of square is what? Side is square, so a square we can write. Then area of circle means pi r square. So a square means 14 square. R is 7 into 7. So 1 7 will go. Okay. 14 square means 196. And 22 into 7 means 154. So answer will be, this will give 2, and 42 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region. Question number 4. Find the area of the region, complete region. Okay. This, where circular arc of radius 6 centimeter has been drawn with the vertex O of an equilateral triangle. This angle is equilateral. That means each angle of the triangle is 60 degree. Side is 12 centimeter. That is also given. Now see what we can do. We can find area of circle plus area of triangle, isn't it? But see, if you find area of circle, so this complete area you will count, isn't it? Then area of triangle. So again this complete area. So this area you are counting twice. That means we should find area of circle plus area of triangle minus area of this sector. Okay, because only once we should count. So if we are finding area of circle, then also we are counting this part. If we are finding area of triangle, then also we are counting this part. So we are counting this part twice. So only once we should find. So whether in area of triangle or area of circle. So what we will do, area of circle plus area of triangle minus area of this sector. Okay. So all the things are given here. See, 12 and 6. So R be 6 centimeter and A be the side of the triangle 12 centimeter. So area of shaded region will be area of circle, theta is 60, plus area of triangle, AOB we can write, minus area of sector. Okay, so area of circle means pi r square. Area of triangle, since it is equilateral, we can use root 3 by 4 a square, minus area of sector means theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, this way we can write. Now see, pi r square we can take common. So here 1 will remain minus theta by, theta value we can write 60 by 360, plus root 3 by 4, a is 12, so 12 into 12. Pi is 22 by 7, 6 into 6. Now this will go 6, 6 are 36. So here 1 by 6 will remain. Cross multiply. So 5 by 6. See, 1 minus 1 by 6 will remain. Cross multiply. So 5 by 6 will remain here. And from 4 we can cancel 36 root 3. Okay, 12 3s are 36. 1 6 will go here. Then 22 into 30 divided by 7. Okay, so from 7 we can divide this. 7 3s are 21, 1 will remain, 7 1s are, then 3 will remain, 7 4s are 28. Now from 3 we can multiply. Okay, after 2 digit decimal, so 94.2 and plus 36 root 3 value we can substitute here. Okay, so that is 1.73. So now 36 and 1.73 if you multiply, we will get final answer 8, 2 and 6. After 2 digit decimal, so 2 digit. So answer will be C 8, 4, 6 and 1, 5 in centimeter square. In question number 5, it is given that from the square of each corner for a square of side 4 centimeter, means ABCD is a square and side is 4 centimeter. Okay, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1, radius is 1, 4 quadrants are cut. Okay, and diameter 2 centimeter, one circle of diameter 2 centimeter is also cut. That means radius will be 1. Diameter is 2, that means radius is 1. So if you observe, see, 4 quadrant will make one circle and this is also another one circle, and for both these radius is same. That means what we are doing, we can find the shaded area by subtracting area of 2 circle from the area of a square. Okay, so write R is equal to 1 centimeter, A is 4 centimeter. Okay, so area of shaded region, we can write area of shaded region, area of a square minus area of 2 circles. Okay, so area of a square means side into side, side is square. One circle is pi r square, so 2 circle means 2 pi r square. Okay, so a square means 4 square minus 2, 22 by 7, r is 1 into 1. So this we can write 44 by 7. Okay, from cross multiply we can do, isn't it? (112) minus 44 by 7. So now this will give 8. Okay, then 6 will remain. 7. From 7 we can divide. 7 9s are, we know, 63. 5 will remain. So 7 7s are 49. 1 will remain. 7 1s are 7. Then 3 will remain. So 9.714 centimeter square is the remaining area, or we can say area of shaded region. In question number 7, see, ABCD is a square given and with center A, B, C and D. These are the center of the 4 circle. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. So see what we can do, from the area of square we can subtract area of these 4 sectors. Okay, but if you observe, these 4 sectors are quadrant of the circle. Okay, since it is a square, so this angle will be 90. That means these 4 sectors are nothing but quadrants of the circle. So 4 quadrant will make one circle, and for all the radius is same. Side is given 14, so radius will be 7. Okay, so we can write R is 7 centimeter and A is 14 centimeter. So from the area of square, subtracting 4 area of sector is equivalent to find area of square minus area of one circle. Okay, so area of shaded region will be what? Shaded region equals to area of square, we can say, minus area of circle. Okay, so A square minus pi r square. So A square means 14 square minus 22 by 7, r is 7 into 7. So this will go 196, 154. So answer will be 42 centimeter square.